Hello, fashionistas. Welcome back to Fashionista Hairstyles. I'm your host, Jessica, and today we have a fabulous video lined up for you. Get ready for some jaw-dropping transformations as we dive into the world of trendy, long and short hair transformations. If you're looking to make a bold statement with your hair, this video is your ultimate source of inspiration. Let's jump right into the makeover magic. Get ready to witness a mesmerizing hair transformation as we take you from white to blonde with medium-length hair. In this clip, we see a stunning makeover that showcases the power of color to completely revamp your look. Watch as the expert colorist works their magic, carefully lifting the hair from its white shade to a beautiful, radiant blonde. The medium length adds versatility and allows for various styling options. This transformation is all about embracing a fresh, vibrant look that exudes confidence and sophistication. Brace yourselves for a bold and stylish hair transformation featuring a two-color short blunt bob with front bangs. This clip showcases the perfect balance of edge and sophistication. The expert stylist brings together two contrasting colors, creating a head-turning effect. The short blunt bob adds a touch of sleekness and structure, while the front bangs frame the face and add a touch of playfulness. This hairstyle is perfect for those who want to make a statement and experiment with color. Prepare to be amazed as we witness the striking transformation of a two-color short blunt bob with front bangs. Get ready to fall in love with the warmth and richness of a long, layered, dark copper haircut. This clip showcases the stunning transformation of luscious locks into a vibrant and captivating style. The dark copper hue adds depth and dimension to the hair, while the long layers create movement and texture. This haircut is perfect for those who want to embrace a bold and eye-catching look that complements their skin tone. Watch as the skilled stylist works their magic, transforming the hair into a head-turning masterpiece. Prepare to be amazed by the long, layered, dark copper haircut that will leave you craving for a new look. Next up, get ready to be captivated by a mesmerizing curly hair color transformation. In this hairstyle, we showcase the stunning power of color to enhance and elevate curly hair. Watch as these gorgeous curls are transformed into vibrant works of art. From bold and vibrant shades to subtle and natural-looking hues, the possibilities are endless. The color adds depth and dimension, accentuating the natural beauty of the curls. Whether you have tight coils or loose waves, this hairstyle will inspire you to embrace the magic of color and unleash your curly hair's full potential. Get ready to be wowed by these incredible curly hair color transformations. Get ready to witness an incredible hair extension transformation as we take short hair to new lengths. In this segment, we showcase the magic of hair extensions, which can instantly add volume, length, and drama to your locks. Watch as our talented stylist works their magic, seamlessly blending and applying extensions to create a stunning transformation from short to long hair. The result is a cascading mane of luxurious tresses that will make heads turn. Whether you want to switch up your style or simply indulge in the allure of long hair, this transformation will leave you in awe. Next up, we have stunning blonde hair color transformation on shoulder-length hair. In this segment, we witness the power of blonde hues to elevate a shoulder-length hairstyle to new heights of beauty. Watch as expert colorists work their magic, applying carefully selected shades to create a breathtaking result. The blonde tones add radiance and luminosity, enhancing the natural features of the hair. Whether you opt for a soft golden blonde or a bold platinum shade, this transformation will leave you in awe of the transformative power of hair color. And finally, get ready to be enchanted by a breathtaking long hair color transformation featuring stunning silver blonde highlights. In this segment, we showcase the artistry of hair coloring as we introduce these mesmerizing highlights at the ends of long locks. Watch as a skilled colorist carefully applies the silver blonde tones, creating a captivating play of light and shadow. These highlights add a touch of sophistication and a modern edge to the overall look, enhancing the natural beauty of the long hair.